last one to try it out with them voices. These boots are made for walking. Nancy Sinatra. Daniels.
Hey, Mad Dog. That's me.
That's me. I'm Jack Dorothy. I'm going to sing to you. These boots are made for walking. Hey, Mad Dog. Are you going to get me on there? Are you? Oh, yeah. Mad Dog, you know you want to, you sexy beast. Oh, you sexy little beast.
Oh, that's a wee bit glamorous you are, you, for Dorothy.
Oh, you know what I like. I like it, don't I like a good song, a really good song to sing, and I think they do some good duets together. And you, my dog, you like your little blonde hair. You're so sexy, aren't you, with that blonde hair?
Oh, you're cheeky. You're making me shy.
Oh, come on, anyway, let's go on with song. Who knows? But anyway, like I say, folks, I'm going to sing this song, These Boots Are Made for Walking, and my name is Dorothy. Are you ready, folks?
Are these boots sexy? Are they? Take the echo off. Are they sexy, these boots, sir?
Oh yes, they're very sexy there, my dog. I bet you'll like them. I bet you like them on your chest, won't you? They've got really long heels. These heels are really long on these boots. And go right up to the thighs. Oh, my dog. I think we should get on together. You know what I mean? Apart from singing on karaoke and stuff like that, I think we should get on.
Oh yeah, I think we should, Dorothy. And who's this Stephanie you on about? Who's Stephanie, you know? You said you know this Stephanie, do you?
Oh yeah, I know Stephanie. Hey Stephanie, come over here. Hello, my name is Stephanie. two get on really well together, don't you? You're so funny, you two.
Oh, thank you there, my dear Stephanie. You're looking very sexy.
Oh, no. I think you're sexy, my dog. Anyway, do you know that hamster, no? Good hamster, Harry the hamster.
No, I don't know Harry the hamster.
Oh, well, I'll just put you on to it. Hey, Harry, come over here. Hello, I'm Harry the hamster. Oh, just so funny. Hello. Hello. Is it? Oh, that's not Harry the hamster. That's me, the bit of guy. Sorry, Harry the hamster's here.
Hello, my name is Harry the hamster, and I like to say hello. What are you doing to my voice? This is me. I am Harry the hamster, and I think you're stupid, you are. You thought that you're stupid. I think you're mental. That dog's especially mental. He's a blonde-haired idiot. Hey, that dog, you're a blonde-haired idiot.
Don't be cheeky hamster.
Oh, you are. But you're a sexy idiot. Back on to Stephanie. Hello, Stephanie. He's a bit mad, that hamster. But he's okay. He's a bit cheeky sometimes. But he's alright, really. I'll put you back onto Anne. I mean, Stephanie. Sorry. Hello, Stephanie. I mean, thank you, Stephanie. Mixed up with names here. Sorry, that's still Stephanie. Sorry. I'm going a bit silly here. Let me know, Stephanie.
This is Stephanie. This is Dorothy. Hello. Yeah. Come on, my dog. Get your act together. You're doing all these things wrong. You're stupid, you are. Hey, don't leave me. I'm Dorothy. I'm your favourite girl. And, you know what, I don't know. She's a bit of a dyke. You're a dyke, don't you? Bit of lesbian. Yeah, she's a bit of lesbian. I'll just put it on to Anne.
Hello, my name's Anne, and I like women, I prefer women to men. You're the best of men. Men are stupid and all thick as two chalk legs, man. And I'm a proper dyke. So don't mess with me, or else you'll be with me in a way you don't want me. So anyway, I'm going back to my girlfriends, so bye for now. But put back onto that stupid Dorothy who loves you, loves you. If you should love me.
She's a bit harsh, that hand. She's a bit very harsh. Anyway, don't worry there, my dog. You got me as your partner, and we'll work together pretty well, I think.
Oh, thank you there, Dorothy. And what about Julie?
Oh, we don't need Julie. Julie can go to the city for the drinks and enjoy yourself and chat to the people and get you some work. But you and me can meet you a proper hatch. You don't need Julie.
Well, I suppose not, no. Yeah, that's good.
And I can introduce people. Like I can say happy birthday to people and stuff like that. I can do children's parties and things like that. As Dorothy and Stephanie can get involved. And can't you, Stephanie? You can get involved. Yeah, I can get involved. I can get involved when I need you. I'm good at children's parties and stuff. And we can do all the plastic arseholes and stuff like that. And we'll be alright. And we can get Harry the hamster to come in. Yeah, I'm Harry the hamster. I can come involved. I like to take the Alvin and the Chipmunks off. Alvin and the Chipmunks. Oh, yes, sir. Yeah, no, he's fun. Okay,
that's it now. Let's get this act together and stop being complicated. Okay.
Anyway, so there you go with my new little box. I'll just show you a picture of the box. What does all that special effects? Okay. Here we go. It's Endure. There it is. You can see the female voice there. It could actually be a male as well. Got there's the echoes and stuff like that. Echoes, sliders. They're the two main ones. So what you do, the red indicator is the female or whatever voice you have. So you just switch mics. So whenever you change that, I can swap mics to have that one female or that one female. But like I said, this little gumptions here is the thing, but there's it, and then this down here, this here, modifiers. So what happens with modifiers? I keep it like that one. That one there stays as it is for the female on the female settings. But that one there, that's going to be Han. That's going to be Stephanie. That's going to be Harry the hamster. So it's Harry the hamster, Stephanie, Dorothy, and Anne. So that's how that goes. And then you got your singing reverbs, down here. I just switch this over. That's off at the moment. So what happens? Well, what I do, it will sing. It will sing. It will turn that to echo, and I get minimum echo, and that's how I sing. So there's my new act. Mad Dog's new act with his new voice changing mixer. I'm doing a drag. I'm doing a drag on May the 4th, 2013, and see how that goes. So bye for now.